Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to enable participant screen sharing in Zoom. This is a useful feature for collaboration, presentations, and interactive meetings. Let's get started. On your Zoom dashboard, let's say we want to host a meeting so we can allow participants to share their screen. We just need to join through the browser. Whether we're using a browser or the desktop app, the process looks the same. Let's wait for this to load and start the meeting. This will only take a moment. Now, let's say we are in a meeting and we want our participants to share their screen. All we need to do is click the arrow or the button that opens the settings, then go to Advanced Sharing Options. To allow participants to share, simply enable the option for multiple participants to share simultaneously. This will let our Zoom participants share their screen during the meeting. Once we're done, just click Close and participants can start sharing their screen right away. That's how we enable participant screen sharing in Zoom.